Historic breakthrough. Iraq and Vietnam move toward currency revaluation. Welcome back to Dinar Current, your trusted source for official updates, reliable exchange news, and real-time RV developments. If you're holding Iraqi Dinar IQD or Vietnamese Dong VND, today's news could be life-changing. Stay with us through the entire report as we unpack a groundbreaking televised announcement out of Iraq, Vietnam's quiet but strategic move, which banks are opening for live exchanges tomorrow, the documents you'll need, and a step-by-step plan to protect and maximize your wealth. This is the moment currency holders have been waiting for, and for the first time, it's not rumor, it's reality. Iraq's landmark television announcement. Earlier today, millions of viewers across Iraq tuned into a televised financial segment that sent shockwaves across the global economy. For years, speculation about a possible Iraqi dinar revaluation circled online forums and investor communities. But never before has it been confirmed so openly, on national TV, for everyone to see. The reports aired on respected outlets such as Al Samaria News and Al Iraqi TV. On screen, a financial ticker compared the long-standing rate of roughly 1,100 Iraqi dinars per US dollar to a newly announced international exchange rate near 3.00 per USD. This was no blog rumor or internet post, it was broadcast live, with Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) officials and representatives from the Ministry of Finance present to validate the shift. Their involvement removed any doubt. This wasn't speculation, but a government-backed financial reset. Banking sector mobilizes for exchanges. Within hours, Iraq's banking sector began preparing for implementation. Official documents confirmed that the CBI has authorized Tier 1 and Tier 2 institutions to begin live, in-person currency exchanges starting tomorrow at 8 a.m. Baghdad time. Participating banks in Iraq include Rafidain Bank, Rashid Bank, Bank of Baghdad, along with exchange providers such as Zay Exchange and Asia Hawala. Equally significant, reports indicate that U.S.-based banks including Wells Fargo, J.P. Morgan Chase, and HSBC have been cleared to process dinar exchanges by appointment. For many currency holders, this marks the first legitimate opportunity to redeem their notes at an official, government-verified rate. Exchanges will involve presenting physical currency, verification scans to confirm authenticity, signing regulatory forms, issuance of exchange vouchers. This is no longer a rumor-driven marketplace, it is a structured, trackable process under banking oversight. Vietnam's quiet but strategic adjustment. While Iraq's revaluation captured headlines, Vietnam also moved, though more discreetly. According to an internal memo from the State Bank of Vietnam, SBV, the Dong's internal exchange reference has been recalibrated, now reflecting 4 Vietnamese Dongs and 65 Shu units per 0.121 equivalent per 1,000 Vietnamese Dongs. Though less dramatic than Iraq's TV announcement, analysts believe this represents a phased approach. Economist Drive. Lin Tran noted that Vietnam has historically taken gradual steps in financial reforms, signaling this could be the start of a larger move. Early reports suggest live exchanges may begin within 48 to 72 hours. Possibly as early as Wednesday, both in Vietnam and at select U.S. redemption centers. With both currencies moving in sequence, speculation of a coordinated global reset is stronger than ever. Required documentation for exchanges. If you plan to exchange your currency, be prepared. Banks will demand compliance with regulations designed to prevent fraud. Essential documents include government-issued ID, passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Proof of address, utility bill, lease, or bank statement, Social Security number SSN, or tax ID for U.S. holders. Appointment confirmation, if required by your bank. Currency purchase receipts, recommended, not always mandatory. For added security, photograph your notes with a timestamp and store digital copies of your documents. This creates an evidence trail in case of discrepancies. Structured payouts, NDAs, and Tier 4B activation. Not every bank will offer the same redemption options. In the U.S., institutions like Wells Fargo and Chase are preparing to offer lump sum payouts, structured disbursements over 5 to 7 years, high-yield bonds tied to treasury programs. These are designed as wealth preservation tools, rather than one-time windfalls. Additionally, some redemption centers may require a non-disclosure agreement (NDA), especially for those accessing higher contract rates. NDAs restrict you from disclosing exchange details, and violations can carry serious legal consequences, so read carefully before signing. Perhaps most importantly, Tier 4B, the everyday holders, are finally being activated. After years of waiting, the gates are open for general public participation. Global reaction. Experts worldwide are calling this a historic turning point. Historian Drive. Peter Langston described Iraq's move as a blueprint for monetary sovereignty unseen in modern history. Meanwhile, trading volumes have exploded. Platforms like Oanda, MetaTrader, and Forex Factory reported activity surging up to 800%, reflecting both opportunity and volatility. Institutions such as Barclays UK confirmed IQD rates are now appearing on their FX screens, a clear sign the currency is entering the broader global market. Protecting yourself from scams. Whenever big financial shifts occur, scammers follow. Stay alert to fake Telegram, WhatsApp groups posing as exchange facilitators. Private offers promising higher than official rates. Upfront fee scams. Legitimate banks will never ask for payment before exchange. Your safest path is through licensed banks, verified redemption centers, and trusted advisors. Never hand your notes to private individuals. Final preparations for exchange day. Tonight, organize your notes by denomination, double-check your ID and paperwork, and print or save your appointment confirmation. Arrive at your bank 10 to 15 minutes early, remain calm, and be ready to answer verification questions. Tomorrow may be the most important financial day of your life. Prepare physically, mentally, and emotionally. Closing thoughts and disclaimer. For years, Dinar and Dong holders faced ridicule and doubt. Yet today, the revaluation is no longer whispers in online forums, it is confirmed on live television and supported by central banks. You are not just witnessing history, you are part of it. That said, caution is critical. The information provided here is educational only and not personalized financial advice. Every individual's financial situation is unique, and you should consult licensed professionals, financial advisors, tax experts, or legal consultants before making any major decision. Avoid private offers, unverified exchange groups, and anyone promising special rates outside regulated banks. Protect your wealth, stay informed, and approach this opportunity with both confidence and responsibility.